Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw at PNC Bank ATMs without extra charges, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash at PNC Bank ATMs without incurring extra charges, begin by locating a PNC ATM near you. Use the PNC Bank mobile app or website to find the nearest location. Ensure you are using your own PNC Bank debit card. Insert your card into the ATM. Select your preferred language on the screen. Enter your personal identification number, or PIN. Choose the Withdraw Cash option from the menu. Select the amount you wish to withdraw or enter a custom amount. Confirm your transaction by hitting the Enter button. Wait for the ATM to dispense your cash. Collect your cash, card, and transaction receipt. Check for any additional options or services offered by the ATM if needed. Make sure to remove your card before leaving the ATM. If you are not near a PNC ATM, avoid using non-PNC ATMs to prevent extra charges. Know that if you use another bank's ATM, you may incur fees. To avoid ATM fees altogether, monitor the ATM network map provided by PNC. Using PNC's services at their own ATMs ensures a fee-free experience. Stay informed about your account balance to plan your withdrawals accordingly. Follow these steps, and you can easily access your cash without unwanted charges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.